view the art, speak to the artist, and also see if you can view the art form through the phone. And what you would see, we're going to leave it to your senses to enjoy. So thank you so much for coming. Welcome to Manjunath, and let's celebrate. First year anniversary. Can we have a round of applause for everyone for making it great? So this also marks Madras Day. This also marks the first day I actually got into this particular space. Approximately same time. We actually came in to see what's happening at Venba. I'm so happy that we are celebrating our artist today, Manjunath. Thank you so much, Manjunath. So we'll begin the proceedings with the lighting of the lamp. Yeah.
This is 1 year of Venba. Unfortunately, Rajivan was one person who had pushed me into getting into 3D. He was before that pushing me to get into digital. He's seen me from 96, before I started Mitra Media, or just started Mitra Media. I would even say one of my first few clients. He used to give me jobs to scan. So he's seen me in my TVS 50 to where I am today. And I have to use Venba as an excuse to call him here because it's been more than 6 years since I met him. But I had to use this occasion, and I don't think anybody else would have been perfect for me, because in art, it's the first year we have done, and so I'm happy that Rajivan had. I just called him yesterday and said, "Listen, I need you, come," and he immediately came. Thanks a lot, Rajivan. It means a lot.
Please introduce the artist.
Hi, I first like to thank everyone for being here today and celebrating Venba's first anniversary. We can't think of anyone better.
Go ahead.
We can't think of anyone better to be celebrating Venba's anniversary with, because he's actually been with us since the beginning of our journey. His artwork has been with us for a really long time. So this is special for both of us. It's also his first time in Chennai.
Yes.
Manjunath Kali is a contemporary artist who was born and raised in Coorg, Karnataka, and most of his art is inspired by his childhood memories and the culture of his upbringing. So in this exhibition you'll see a lot of folk art, but in a very contemporary style.
And yes, we have brought in the augmented reality part.
Yeah, some of the paintings in this exhibition also have AR or augmented reality image, so you can see them come alive in animation through this app called Artivite, which you can download right here by scanning the QR code or just going to the Play Store and downloading.
Over the years, நிறைய exhibitions போயிருக்கோம், நிறைய painting பார்த்துருக்கோம். Life is around that only. This is something very interesting that I've seen, especially monocolor work. Monocolor work just black and white pencil, charcoal, ink use பண்ணி work பண்ணதுல இவ்வளோ detailed come across anything like that. But you've seen a lot of some international artists doing realistic work on monotones. But abstract monotone is something like blown by it. Anyway, congrats to Sid. Sid has been a so-called childhood friend for me. Go back at least many decades. Congratulations, Sid, on this. I'm really happy for you. Things you've done, achievement. Many more works to come. Great work. I'd like to see more of your work.
Yes.
Another genre maybe. All the best.
I run one Venba Art Gallery. So we are having the show by Manjunath Kali. So our artist work வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா abstract with a lot of detail. So our different mediums were try பண்ணிருக்காரு. One is the color medium, அதுக்கப்புறம் charcoal, pencil, and then he has used both monotone, monochromatic, like how Rajiv had said. Then he has also done stuff on acrylic with colors, and then he has mixed acrylic with pencil. So now he has experimented with different materials to get abstract with a lot of dimensions. So ஒரு painting with a lot of dimensions he has brought in. Of course, Venba we had been always wanting to work on small format, affordable art. So all the artworks here, 25,000 to 60,000 rupees to 75,000 maximum, are all affordable art. In art scale, this is a very very low end low cost for a good product in art area. Ilanaka paintings, minimum painting starts somewhere around a lakh and half. Small painting starts from 50,000-60,000. Here we are having something lower than that. We've also tried to get immersive art, augmented reality into the paintings. Since he accepted that we can try that experiment. But in Chennai, I think we have first time tried out augmented reality, where you can actually get into the painting through animating the painting. It's a small way to get immersive art and where we marry art and tech. So I try to make.
Thank you.
Hi, Manjunath Wari here. So basically I'm from Bangalore. So this is the first time I'm introducing my artwork to Chennai. The Venba Art Gallery is they are organizing my solo exhibition, Folk Fluorescence. These are like 28 works, set of work like folk fluorescence works are here. So those are very beautiful and so representing all that village architecture and monuments and historical monuments as well. I just tried something like different wave, just like contemporary work, contemporary art landscape. So I have tried many different kind of experiment like pencil work, acrylic, and future I'm planning to do some sculptures as well. So I'm so glad my display is here. So they have done it very well job, and thanks to Venba Art Gallery.
Thank you.